Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Band 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this smart band with the iPhone. First thing you will need to do is to turn on your smart band, and you can do it by plugging it into charger. Once you plug it into charger, the smart band should turn on automatically. After the smart band turns on, you may see this on the screen. Now, basically this means we need to download and install the Zap application on iPhone. And to do it, we need to make sure that we have internet with connection with the internet on our iPhone, and also the Bluetooth is enabled. Once you have connection with the internet and the Bluetooth is enabled, open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar and type in Zap. Of course, tap on search to search for the app, and you should see this application on the list. Tap on it to select it, tap on the Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. And once you open the application, you may get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. You can allow them or deny them, but I recommend to allow the location permission. And also I recommend to allow the Bluetooth permission. I think it's required, basically. So tap on OK. And once you're done with the permissions, you will need to log in into Zap account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Sign Up to make a new one, or you can use the third-party application to log in. Okay, I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and once you're done, you can tap on Sign In to log in. And once you log in, you will probably get a couple more pop-ups about the permissions. This one is about the notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the smart band, you need to allow this permission. If you don't want to, you can deny it. Next, we have the fitness and activity permission. So if you want to track stuff like activities, fitness and stuff like that with the app, you need to tap on OK. If you don't care, you can tap on Don't Allow. And next we have health access. So again, if you want to track stuff like heart rate, burnt calories and stuff like that, you need to tap on OK and enable the basically or allow to write or read by tapping on the switches. I'm just gonna tap on Turn on All and then tap on Allow, but you can customize it to your liking and then tap on Allow or Don't Allow if you want to deny it. I'm just gonna allow it. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, tap on Add Device, tap on Band, tap on Agree, and select the band. It has no QR code because this band doesn't have QR code. So let's tap on it, and the application should start searching for the nearby devices. As you can see, it detected our smart band. Tap on the check mark to confirm. Like this. Then tap on Pair right here. Again, you can allow or deny the permission for the notifications. And now let's wait until the pairing is done. Right here we can restore the reminders, but I'm just gonna tap on Don't Restore. And after a second or two, you should see the device page for your Amazfit Band 2, and also you should be able to use your smart band. And that's how you pair this smart band with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.